Okay, so now let's read Peppa Pig Advent Calendar number 3.
The train ride.
The train ride.
The train ride.
The train ride. Today, Madame Gazelle, Peppa and her friends are going on the train ride. Can I see your ticket, please? Mr. Rabbit asked them. The children waved their tickets in the air. Oh no, I've lost my ticket, Pedro cried. There's your ticket, Madame Gazelle says, pointing to a ticket on the ground. Try not to lose it again, says Mr. Rabbit, smiling at Pedro. All aboard, called Miss Rabbit, the train driver, as the train pulls into the station. The children and Madame Gazelle jump onto the train and take their seat. The train pulls out of the station and heads down to the hill. Madame Gazelle gives the children an activity sheet. They have to spot a boat, a signal box, and a tunnel. Just then, Peppa says, I can see Granddad Dog. Ahoy there, Granddad Dog calls. Hooray! The children cheers and then they tick both on their activity sheets. Pedro doesn't feel very well, so Madame Gazelle let him go to the front of the train. Miss Rabbit let him wear her head and drive the train for a bit, which makes him feel much better. The train puffs slowly uphill. The train puffs quickly downhill. Whee! Cried the children. The train stopped at the junction to let Mrs. Duck and her friends safely across. A signal box, that's on our list, says Peppa. Hooray! The children cheers, and then they tick signal box on their activity sheets. The train sets off again. Toot toot! Suddenly, it all goes dark. Oh, we are in a tunnel, Peppa says. A tunnel is the last thing on our list. The children tick tunnel on their activity sheets and give a cheers. Hooray! Last stop, Miss Rabbit called. But, Madame Gazelle, how will we get home? Peppa asked. We are home, Peppa, Madame Gazelle replied. The train has gone in a big circle, so they are right back where they started. Ticket, please, Mr. Rabbit says, one last time. Pedro, can I have my hat back, please? Miss Rabbit asks. When Pedro lifts up the hat, there is his ticket. Oh, that's where I put it, Pedro says, and everyone giggles. That's the end.